Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the top three free video editing software. When I say free, it doesn't have any upgrades or any watermarks. It doesn't apply any watermarks. It's completely free. Let's look at the top three video editing software. First is Video Editor. You don't have to install any external software. Video Editor comes with your OS. If you use Microsoft Windows 10 or above, you can see the video editor in your browser, it's in your computer itself. Let's look at the new video project. Let's start a new video project. It's pretty basic. You just have to add video file in here, and you can do pretty basic editing. Like uh, I just added one, and here you can trim, or you can split, or you can add text, or you can add 3D effects or filters. Um, it doesn't have much advanced features. The second one is OpenShot. This is a free open source software, and it's much more powerful than video editor. You have to install the OpenShot, and I will record a demo in a separate video. So these are the features of OpenSoft software. You can do cross-platform video editing. You can add unlimited tracks. You can resize. You can cut. You can trim your clippings, or you can scale or rotate. It also has 3D video editing if you are looking for gaming video recording. Also, it can capture your system audio or your mic audio, obviously, and you can adjust the speed, or you can split or merge multiple clips. And it also supports HD resolution for YouTube. Also, you can overlay text, image, or watermark. The next one we are going to see is the ShotCut. Um, this is also a open source software. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to install the software. I will leave a link below to download the software. It has all the features of OpenShot except that it doesn't have 3D video editing. Also, OpenShot is is user friendly. You don't need you you can learn it in just like 30 minutes or so. But like shortcut, it has a little bit of learning curve, so you might want to spend a couple of hours to learn completely. But this is a very good software as well. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.